Guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Din and I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix the spices and then cook the dish. Very simple method I'm going to use, so please follow the instructions carefully. So let's cook. I'm Chef Din and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to make breakfast. So I'm going to show you how easy and quickly it is to make some breakfast. So what we're going to make is spicy egg omelette with toast and my Indian tea. So let's not waste any more time and let's start cooking. Right. Right, we've got a nice spring onion here. Let's put my tea on first, let that cook. Did he come back by himself?
Yeah, to be honest, I don't even use the lead actually anymore.
You don't need the lead.
No, well, yeah, I did yesterday when we walked out the road, but I realised he's very good.
He knows how to get home.
The builder went down the road, he sort of ran up to, and I went, Max, because I could tell the builder was a bit startled.
Yeah.
He's a good boy.
So he makes you a good boy. You have to give him a biscuit then if he's a good boy.
Oh, biscuit, yes.
Yeah.
Where am I going?
Yeah. In the jar. After he's had a walk, he likes to have a biscuit. So.
Maybe 1.5 inches. So.
Right. We'll do it quickly because I don't want to waste too much time. And we put a little bit of oil. A little bit of salt in the eggs as well, a little bit in the onion, a little bit in the eggs. I'm using 4 eggs today. I think that should be enough for 3 people. Maybe I'll put 1 more egg just to be... There we go. So I'm using 5 eggs. Here's my tea bubbling away, so I'm going to put 1.5 spoons of tea leaves. That's my char masala. Alright, turn that down. So let's see how long we take. We don't want to cook it too hot. We just want the onions to nice and soften, basically. Clear this area up. Just need a bit of coriander. A bunch of coriander. Now the key is, as you can see, if you put coriander in a tub and put kitchen towel, it keeps it much longer fresh. Like it will last for a week or so, or a bit longer. Okay, there's the coriander. clear this mess up. Wild toast. Right. Nearly ready now. Onions are softened. So we put some water in the tea just to get a nice liquor. And I'm going to put a cup of milk. It's only for one person. There's the cup of milk. Bring that to the boil. This is Andrew, as you can see. Turmeric goes in. Just want to cook the onions a little bit, just to okay, nearly there. This is real time, so we're not really wasting. We're not. This is how long it would take. This is the nicest breakfast you can have to get you on your way. Must try both of these recipes, the Indian chai and the spicy egg. I have the link on the description page, and you can make it. It doesn't take too long, 15 minutes tops. You can have this breakfast ready for your friends and yourself. So try it, enjoy it, it's really nice. Alright, nearly ready there. A little bit of char masala goes in, half a teaspoon. I like a little bit of jaggery, just slightly. Right, yeah, we're nearly ready. As a little boy, when I used to come home from school, my mum used to make this spicy egg for me before we would have our main dinner. So it would be like a little snack before my dad came home, and we would have our main dinner. And it's probably one of my favourite egg dishes. So give it a go and tell me what you think in the comments if you like it. Now what we're going to do is just let the tea infuse and get a nice colour. So turn it down, let it gently bubble away. Just, oh, do you see that? Do you see? Okay. Right. Toast is cooking away. This is a lovely breakfast to give to your guests. This is looking really good. You always put a little bit of butter on the hot toast. It quickly helps it to. Right, so we're ready. Right, eggs ready. Tea's ready, toast is ready, and that's my Indian spicy egg omelette, all ready to eat now, and I'm going to enjoy. So thanks for watching.